I didn't grow this sweet-looking horseshoe mustache for nothing. Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Bryan. It's time for another episode of Trade Talk Tuesday. So first and foremost, we have to follow up on our last alert that we did because just as predicted, Williams-Sonoma was an explosive winner. Just as you heard right here, they reported fantastic earnings and the stock just mooned, and many of you just cleaned house. Here, let me show you. You got Barry C., who made 248% in 1 week. He said Williams-Sonoma in at 430, out at 15. Thanks, BB. And then you got Verlin D., who said 4,500 on Williams-Sonoma. I feel great. Yeah, hell yeah, you feel great, Verlin. You got $4,500 on a free trade of the day pick. So with today's pick, let's keep this winning streak going. Now, I have to tell you, never in a million years would I have thought I'd recommend a play like this. So just to mark this occasion, I did something extra special for you today, and I grew this sweet horseshoe mustache just in honor of today's pick. Now, Gillette calls it a rugged style for a bold look, and who am I to argue, right? So as you feast your eyes on all this gloriousness right here, I'm going to tell you why right now is the time to buy World Wrestling Entertainment, ticker symbol WWE. That's right, baby. You know this company's history. First came Andre the Giant and Hulk Hogan breaking folding chairs over each other's heads back in the 80s. I mean, oh, see? Sweet mustache. Now it all comes together, right? I mean, look at this guy, right? Then you came The Undertaker and Stone Cold Steve Austin in the 90s. Then came The Rock and Triple H jumping off the top rope back in the 2000s, slamming on each other's heads, right? So clearly WWE has withstood the test of time. And right now, as shocking as it may sound, this company is thriving. Thanks to the COVID lockdown, World Wrestling Entertainment is headed for record-breaking revenues in 2020. I mean, management has already come out and said that they're largely unimpacted by the coronavirus outbreak. And during Q1 of 2020, the WWE network reached 1.46 million paid subscribers. So you got out-of-work pro athletes making cameos at their wrestling events, which are still occurring, but just without fans. And WWE has also maintained their lucrative television deals, and 40% of the country is now unemployed and looking to kill time, so they're watching their events on TV. So WWE produces original content 52 weeks a year. They have no off season, and they're going out to a global audience. They're going to 180 different countries in 28 languages, and they have 1 billion social media followers. So for their last WrestleMania event, which was April 4th to April 5th, it recorded record viewership. More than 967 million video views all across their digital and social media platforms, which was a 20% increase over last year. And right now, they're going to parlay this popularity even more. They just partnered with Netflix to launch a feature film, which is going to make them into a global entertainment company. So even during the pandemic, WWE fans are getting fresh content. All right, so I'm going to admit, North American ticket sales fell from 24 million to 15 million, but that's simply due to 49 less events that they held this past year. It's kind of to be expected, right? But here's the thing. From a chart perspective, there's an unfilled gap between the $50 and $60 level, and shares are currently around $46.50 a share. So I think you're going to see shares retest that gap in the weeks and months ahead. Add it all up, and that's why WWE is a buy right now. And there you have it. That's your Trade Talk Tuesday for today. If you like this episode, then I invite you to sign up for my daily Trade of the Day email service. You can sign up right here. It's totally free. And every single day, I will write up my top trade and send it to you via email. So sign up today, and then I will see you here next week for Trade Talk Tuesday. On that note, cue my exit music.